In today's video, I'm making cream chip beef on toast. This is a meal that can come together within, I would say, 7 minutes. I'd like to say 5, but you might need that extra couple minutes to make the toast. This is a very budget-friendly meal. The first thing I need to do is cut these open, and I'm going to cut them up into strips. And I know a lot of us are trying to get protein, so I just wanted to point out that there's 9 grams in each package. I like to take them and just fold them over like that and just cut strips. That looks good, and now I'm going to grab 3 tablespoons of butter and get ready to melt that in my pan. I find if I cut the butter up a little bit, it melts faster. To make sure that I don't have lumps, I like to do it this way where I put 3 tablespoons of flour in, and I'm going to add 2 cups of milk to that. That way I can make sure everything is blended well together. Didn't want to add in all the milk. I knew I would spill it. So now that it's blended, I will add in enough to make the 2 cups. And now I'm going to take the milk mixture and add it to the pan. And I'm going to give that a good mix. And I just want to make this nice and thick. Just going to get all of that out of there. Just like that. I'm going to turn the heat on a little high just to get it going. And then I'll turn it down. This really comes together fast. This is so simple to make. I love having this on a night when I'm really busy or I got home late and everybody wants dinner. I can throw this together in no time. Definitely want to just keep stirring it. I like to take the whisk and just keep making sure it doesn't burn on the bottom and I don't have the heat very hot, just about medium. You can see that it's starting to get thick. I like to take a spoon and just see if it's sticking good to the spoon like that, you know it's just about there, right where you want it. And now I'll put the meat mixture in and give it a good mix. Now you just want to give it a good mix and heat it up, make sure the meat gets warm. And I also have my toast browning right now. Once that's done, I will show you how I plate this up. This is looking good. You can tell just by the way I'm doing it that when you can start to see roux through there, it is just the right consistency. And now I'm just going to take it and lay it right on my toast. There's another name for this dinner, and if you know it, I would love to know it in the comments. My dad used to say it all the time, and I'm just curious if you know. This is a good one to make on one of those busy nights. If you enjoyed this video today, I hope you'll consider subscribing and hit the like button. And I want to thank you so much for watching today.